Today I'm making a fish recipe, and recipe goes like this because I'm mixing some spinach and tomato. I'm using sour cream instead of cream and it is 50% less fat, if you can see here. And I'm not using cream because cream is more unhealthy, and I'm making this recipe healthier, especially for weight loss, and especially those are diabetic can have it. This is totally healthy recipe. So I'm gonna take some garlic and onion and spaghetti. Yes, and this is the recipe I am making, and I'm mixing all the ingredients together, and I'm grilling fish like this. And yes, perfecto. This is so delicious, and I am making this recipe for the first time. Let's see how it goes. So spaghetti, I am making Szechuan spaghetti because I love spices and chilies. So I'm mixing some spring onion on the top here. Yes, and mix it. Yes, and my whole recipe is ready, and I'm serving spaghetti like this. This is so delicious. I'm super hungry. I just want to taste it as soon as possible. And this is for the first time, so I'm very excited. I hope I made it pretty well. Here goes some fish. Yes, like this. I am very bad at serving, so never mind. And some of the spinach sauce on the top. Yes, and this recipe is ready, served. Eat hot, and let me know how you like it.